really.
Wow. If you
Not
haven't come. That was crazy. My name's Renee. I came in today because I have upper back, mid back, and lower back issues. So I'm super excited to see what Dr. Branch can do today to help relieve that.
So tell me, if I go over any of these areas, it creates a lot of pain or tenderness for you, okay?
Okay.
All through there.
Yep.
So I don't know how much education they gave you when you went. So typically, a lot of people, if they ever have low back pain, certainly a job where you're seated all the time, like, you know, most people have these little dimples right here. So these dimples, basically, this is called your SI joint. Is it tender there? And then basically right there too. So basically, when you sit, these areas basically have a lot of stress placed on them, just from being in like a flex position, and then you leaning forward. This is like, here's your tailbone. Those joints basically are connected to your ilium, which is either side of your pelvis there. So when we put you on your side and do that adjustment, typically that's where we're adjusting, and then like L3, 4, 5 maybe.
That side one, they never do either. I don't
No?
know. I feel like I'm just not adjustable.
They've tried it and it's just not worked?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Sacrum, outside of your hip, you have a muscle that runs from there to there. It's called your piriformis muscle. It's probably tender all the way through.
Wow.
When you're seated like that all the time, this muscle's kind of always in like a constant stretch position.
Yeah.
So it will be tender. So I'm interested to see. Let's see how this side feels here.
Whoa.
More so?
Oh yeah. That's crazy.
I'm going to stretch your lower back out here.
Okay.
If you've got this tenderness here, even if you don't realize that you're hurting, have a lot of lower back pain, this is going to be a good place to put it. It's going to basically elongate, open up this part of your spine. Each one of your vertebrae has got a disc in between it, and that's like that's your actual shock. It's kind of jelly fluid filled, so when you're walking, you're jumping, those are what kind of separates those bones. So this is going to basically like bring good fluid into and out of those discs.
Okay.
He's like, I've never been on a table like this before.
Wow. That's so cool. Oh my gosh, I can feel it.
Feel that, right?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, especially on my right side.
Like here down.
Yes, where that pain always is. Oh my god, seriously.
Are you talking like that almost like that hip flexor pain, or
more so
the back on the back?
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
Wow, it's crazy. It almost feels like it just needs to be like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yep,
That's what
I got you.
That's what.
So this is one of those things that, you know, there's like, oh, I wish I could go just a little bit further, but this is more of a stretch.
Right.
I can't.
Because usually when I'm laying like this, that pain is there, but right now it's
Feels a little better, right?
Oh yeah, for sure.
So give me a big deep breath in right here. Pretty tight in there. So I'm going to save this one. So you eventually create a situation where you overstretch your ligaments. You become hypermobile. So a hypermobile problem is basically harder to fix than an immobile problem. Because if you stretch the ligaments out too far, it's hard to get them drawn in. It's like you take like a rubber band, you stretch it out too far and it loses its elasticity, or just, or it'll still stretch, but it never goes back to what it was. Similar, you could take like a rubber band that's too tight and you could work it, and you could loosen it up.
Right.
But if you do it the other direction, it's harder to fix. All right, so give me a big deep breath in right here. All right.
Oh my god, sweet mama.
Big time.
Wow, I haven't felt that in forever. Oh Lord. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Whoa.
See, it moves.
Yes, it sure does. Wow.
So you're definitely short on the right.
Oh.
Knowing that you've had issues over here in this hip flexor, that can definitely create a situation where it's kind of rotating that pelvis.
Okay.
What I want you to do here, raise that right leg for me. Okay, good. Left side. Okay, good. So now we're going to cross this right ankle over your left. Uncross it. Raise your right side one more time. Okay. And left. Okay. Definitely still some restriction over there.
When I raised it, I felt it in my left shoulder almost.
Oh, did you? Okay.
Yeah,
Yep.
I like this pain.
Alright, so I'm going to have you lay on your left side. Alright, so I'm going to pull you this way a little bit. I want you to cross, just relax your hands right there. Your bottom leg straight. I'm going to move this one up.
Oh my God.
There it is.
Thank you.
It felt a little tight, but then, you know, it definitely moved good for us.
Oh, I sure felt it. Wow.
We're really getting you adjusted today.
Oh, for sure. Do you ever adjust children?
Yeah, we adjust kids. You know, 8, 9, 10 years old. Big deep breath in for me.
Oh.
There you go.
Ooh.
On your back for me.
I already feel so much better.
Right?
Yeah, that was awesome. Oh my gosh. Even like your breathing is different.
Oh yeah. Yep, just like that. Big, big hug. So what I want you to do, take a big deep breath in, breathe it all the way out, and now I want you to raise your chin to your chest.
Oh my God. What?
That's the biggest one yet.
Wow, that was so good. Oh my God, I can breathe. Like seriously,
Right?
that's insane.
So you know, so all that pain that you have between your shoulder blades.
Yeah.
We talked about it can be this, but you're also it's that, and you're forward.
Yeah.
So it's basically opening that up, giving it a release.
Oh my gosh, I'm glad you saved that one. Wow.
Your occiput, underneath that you have what's called your C1, your atlas, and then your axis. So we're basically, when we do this, moving these two bones right here, okay?
What the? Oh, sweet mama. I've never laughed at it. I don't want to be like the stereotypical like people afterwards, but I can see why they laugh.
Oh, for sure.
Oh,
especially,
my
I mean,
gosh.
that one right there is closer to your than any of it.
Wow. I've imagined what that's felt like for so long watching these videos. That was awesome. Woo.
There you go. All right.
Thank you.
So we're gonna do one more.
Okay.
We're gonna do the white strap.
Hey, I'm so excited.
I'm gonna have you go into your back.
Okay.
All right. Raise your head for me.
Ooh,
All
Lord.
the way down.
Okay.
All right, so I'm gonna raise this up, and I want you to kind of gather your hair behind that for me. All right.
Oh my God. Sorry, I was so excited. I can't believe this is happening.
All right, so I'm going to pull back. I'm going to show you what the tension's going to be like. Give me one more.
Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my God! Whew.
That was big, huh?
I mean, what? Oh my
Raise
gosh.
your head a little bit.
I can't even talk. I want to be like, I don't even know what to say. Whoa.
And yours
my
moved really good.
Wow. Wow. If
Not
you
bad.
haven't come. That was crazy. That was crazy. Like, out of this world. There's nothing like that, for sure.
Mm-mm.
Like, none of those other adjustments could have just given me the relief that, oh, God, that stuff has been in there for years.
How far down did you feel that?
Like, all the way down. And then a huge section in that mid area that I just have been in pain for so long.
Yeah.
So that was...
So all the others are moving, pushing into that joint. That's basically expanding it all. Up to 24 bones at once.
I'm like,